Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying the online classes at home. Welcome to your maths class. As you know, we are doing chapter number 6, squares and square roots. In the previous lectures, I explained you how to find the square root by prime factorization method. Today I am telling you how to find the square root by long division method. First of all, we have to know that the square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, and so on. Let's move on an example. The example is you have to find the square root of 4624. First of all, we have to make a pair of two digits from right to left. So here the first pair is 24 and another second pair is 46. Now we have to check, is there any number whose square is 46? No. So we take the smaller number, it's 36. 36 is the square of 6. So here 6 6 are 36. When we subtract 36 from 46, we get 10. And we copy down the remaining two digits. So it's 1024. Now we add 6 and 6. 6 and 6 is 12. So here after 12 we have to put a digit. So we have to check the last digit is 4. Here which square number is whose last digit 4? It's 2 square 4 and 8 square 6. Whether it is 2 or a 8. If we take 2 and we multiply 12, 112, or we have to write 2 and multiply by 2, we get 244. In 12, if we write 8 and multiply 8, we get 1024. Yes, it's 1024. By which number? When we put 8 here. So square root of 4624 is 68. Now move on to the second example. Here is the number 38,025. So we have to make a pair of two digits from right to left. The first pair is 25, then 80, and then 3. So 3 is a single number. So we have to check, is 3 is the square of any number? No. So which number we have to take less than 3? It's 1. 1 is the square of 1. So 1 is the 1 ones are 1. When we subtract 1 from 3, we get 2. Copy down the remaining two digit 80. So it's 280. 1 and 1, 2. So we have to take a number, we take 9 and we get 261. When we subtract 261 from 280, we get 19. Copy down the remaining number 25. When we add 9 in 29, we get 38. After which number? We divide this to get, multiply this to get 1925. We take 5. When we take 38 and multiply 5 by 5, we get 1925. So here is this. Now the square root of 38,025 is 195. Now move on to the square root of decimal number. We have to do the same procedure. First we have to make a pair. Before decimal we have moved right to left. After decimal, left to right. So here is a pair 6 and 25. So 2 2s are 4. When we subtract 4 from 6, we get 2. Copy down 25 here. So this number is 225. When we add 2 and 2, we get 4. So by which number we multiply to get this? We put 5 here and 5 here. So 45 multiply 5, we get 225. So square root of 6 decimal 25 is 2.5. Now move on to the second type of question. If you have to find the number of digits in the square root of given number without calculation, so how can you find? So let's take an example. Here is the example 5625. So how many digits are there? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here n is equal to 4. N denotes number of digits. 4 is a even number. So number of digits in the square root of this number n upon 2. So 4 upon 2 is 2. So here we see that when we find the square root of 5625, we get the answer in 2-digit number. Now move on to the second example. Here is the number 15,376. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits. So 5 is the odd number. So here is the formula for number of digits in the square root, n plus 1 upon 2. n equals to number of digits, that is 5. So 5 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 6. 6 upon 2 equals to 3. I hope you understand the concept. Homework for you, you have to do question 1, 2, 3 of exercise 6.4.